Welcome to Magic Cat Academy, where spellcasting meets spooky chaos in one of the most enchanting browser games ever made. You'll step into the paws of Momo, a fearless wizard cat on a mission to defend the academy from a swarm of pesky, magical ghosts. With every swipe, you cast spells that zap those ghouls right back into the shadows. Getting started is pure magic. Just type magiccatacademy.net into your browser. No downloads, no installs. The game loads instantly, and you're dropped straight into a haunted classroom full of flying spirits. All you need are quick fingers, sharp focus, and a little bit of feline determination. Each ghost displays a symbol above its head. Your job is to draw that exact shape on the screen to cast your spell. Line, zigzag, lightning, every gesture counts. Some ghosts are sneaky and need multiple symbols or special combos. The deeper you go, the harder it gets, but that's where the real fun begins. Think you've got what it takes to outspell the underworld? Play now and help Momo save the Magic Cat Academy one swipe at a time.